Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to apply for unemployment in Canada. First, you need to prepare your information before starting the application. It is very important to apply as soon as possible. If you wait more than 4 weeks after your last day of work, you may lose some of your benefits. You will need your social insurance number, also called SIN if your SIN starts with the number 9. You must also provide proof of your immigration status and your work permit. You will also need the last name at birth of one of your parents. Make sure you have your full mailing and residential addresses ready, including postal codes. You will also need your banking details if you want to receive payments through direct deposit. This includes your bank name, branch number, and account number. Next, gather your work history. You need details of all jobs in the past 52 weeks, or since your last claim. This includes employer names, addresses, dates of employment, and the reason you stopped working. Do not worry if you do not have all documents yet. You can still apply and send missing documents later. Your records of employment will be used to check your eligibility. If you already applied for employment insurance within the last year, your claim may be restarted automatically. In some cases, starting a new claim may give you better benefits, but you must meet the conditions. When you apply, also include any extra income you received, like vacation pay or severance. Finally, sign up for direct deposit so you can receive payments quickly. Once everything is ready, go online, click apply, and follow the instructions on the screen. Thanks for watching.